But it's right next to it. Oh, there's a dog. Whoa, just be careful, dog. It's got a tea park. So all these trucks come here with all their rubbish. So tea park goes straight ahead. Left side. What's he doing? He's not reversing. He is reversing. Tea park on the left. Here we go. Entry. Energy Transformation Community. Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. As you heard from the long intro, we are visiting the Transformation Park, or T Park, in the northwest of Hong Kong. This video is about the free EV chargers available at T Park's car park. There will be another video about the T Park visit itself, so this video is just to introduce the characteristics of the free EV chargers at the T Park car park, and I reveal what I think of them. So thank you for joining me in finding out about the EV chargers at the T Park. The staff at T Park are really friendly and helpful. You will see more of that in my full video of our T Park visit, which includes a guided tour. So please be sure to watch the full T Park video. I will add the link in the description below. As for the free EV chargers, they are in total contrast to the staff, not user-friendly and not helpful. Charging cables first. It's okay. Oops. Difficult for me to do this one-handed. Okay, let's see. Just say select what? Let's plug that in. Ready. Can I go? Let's go, okay. "48 hours." It's all in Chinese. There's no English. Seems to be okay. precisely. It's not working, I don't think. I'll contact the staff at reception. See what happens. It says ready to charge, but I'll let the staff know. You have to ask at the reception.
Okay.
Okay, go with you? Okay.
Yeah. You can just take the car to the number one.
I already parked. Okay. I already parked, so already done.
Already parked? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you. It's not automatic.
Sorry?
Not automatic. You have to use this.
Take the car to,
Oh, okay.
to charge.
Okay. I just want to see how much power
Oh, okay, okay.
your
It's okay.
charger has.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. So you like working here? You enjoy?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's a nice
Yeah.
place actually.
The environment.
Well, yeah. Not the smell.
yeah.
Not the smell, but the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Into China, yeah.
Food is also feeling
Sure. Okay. Oh, you have to do this. Okay.
Yeah.
EV not detected.
Okay. Maybe you need to put out first.
Okay.
Yeah. And wait for the 12 minutes.
Not detected. Do I put in or not?
Oh.
Just try.
Yeah.
Select or not? Do we? That's okay or okay?
Yeah.
What's that say?
Not.
Not detected.
Yeah. Maybe put
Unplug.
out first.
Okay. Oh, okay. Now put it in.
And then let me see.
Let's try again.
Yeah.
Let's try again.
Yeah. Looking for the charger. Yeah. Here is charging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it charging?
And it says
Says.
charging.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. And it's now. Okay. 240. Yeah, 250. Thank you. Okay. So it's now charging. What is it? It's only. Let's see how many kilowatts. Doesn't seem to be very big. A lot. But we'll look. 4 kilowatts. Is that the highest? The EV chargers are not useful because they require staff members to leave the reception and bring an RFID card to activate the charging process. In addition, the EV chargers are unhelpful because they only provide 4 kilowatts of power, which is worse than 7 kilowatt home chargers. I would expect EV chargers found in public car parks to be destination chargers or level 2 chargers and therefore provide a minimum of 10 kilowatts, like some of the ones I have shared in my other videos, such as the Science Park and 41 Heung Yip Road. You can find links to those videos in the description below. So, if you drive an EV to the T-Park, don't expect to be topping up your battery unless you are staying there for over 12 hours, which you can't anyway. The free EV chargers are just a gimmick, and it would have been better to put the money spent on them for other purposes. I highly recommend visiting the T-Park, and I don't recommend using the EV chargers even though they are free. It's just not worth your time or effort to charge at the T Park. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.